So for this practice, we'll be doing Shadarshan Chakra Kriya. So to get started, come to a normal seat, and we'll take the right hand and we're going to close the right nostril with the right thumb. And so we're going to take a big inhale in and hold the breath. And as we hold the breath, we're going to mentally chant Wahe Guru. And so when we chant Wahe Guru, we're going to do 3 pumps of the navel. So it's Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru. Practice a few times with me so you get used to the feeling of the navel pumping. Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru. And as we suspend the breath, we're going to hold this for 16 recitations. And the best way to count your recitations is to use your fingers. And in the finger, we have 4 different points. So we have this point, this point, this point, this point. So as you go through, you can say Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Get it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that'll be 16. Okay? So if you can't hang on for 16, do as many as you can. If you're not used to the navel pumping, it can take a few times to get used to that movement. But again, we are going 3 pumps of the navel when we chant Wahe Guru. Wahe Guru. Wahe Guru. Wahe Guru. Okay? So I'll walk you through it. We're going to try to put all of these layers together. Sit up with a straight spine. We'll do this practice for 5 minutes. Once we finish 1 round of 16, then we'll switch to the other side. So we will close the left nostril with the left hand, and then same thing, just different nostrils. So we're alternating the nostrils as we do this. So stick with me here. Okay, come to your straight spine. We'll take the right hand first, close the right nostril. Big inhale in, hold the breath. I'll chant out loud first round. Wahe Guru, 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 Wahe Guru. Exhale. Switch hands. Big deep inhale in. Suspend the breath. Again. Wahe Guru, 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 Wahe Guru. Exhale. Switch hands. This time mentally reciting to yourself, remembering to pump the navel as you recite. To close this practice, stretch the arms up overhead, and then we're going to shake the body from side to side to disperse the energy. Continue your breath, and we'll do this for 30 seconds. And really shake hard, shake, 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 stretch the arms up. And then exhale, come back to center, sweep the arms down. Take a moment to rebalance, check in with how you feel, check into with what might have changed as you did that practice. And you can slowly blink the eyes open. That was Sodarshan Chakra Kriya.